Okay children, so lesson number 3 spell words completed now. So today lesson number 3 question answers will write it. So here in this section children, in this lesson overall 7 question answers are there. So only 5 is enough. 1 to 5 question answers I have to learn, and even lesson number 4 also 1 to 5 question answers only have to read. Okay, so remaining 2 question answers only lesson number 3, 4, 5 question answers have to learn. Okay, so now coming to the lesson number 3, write Roman number 2 section question and answers. Question and answers. Okay, now write down question number 1. Why do animals live in groups? Why do animals, give finger gap and write neatly, live in groups? Why do animals live in groups? Okay, now start writing answer. Animals live in groups to search, live in groups to search for food, water and shelter. Water and shelter, to raise their young ones, and to protect their families from enemies. Okay, animals live in groups to search for food, water and shelter, and to raise their young ones, and to protect their families from enemies. Now question number 2. Explain with an example. Explain with an example. Explain with an example how two different spices, two different species of animals help each other. Explain with an example how two different species of animals help each other. Now write the answer. The Egyptian plover, feeds on lots of decaying meat, meat, stuck in the stuck in the teeth of in the teeth of crocodile. So the Egyptian plover, what it will be do children? It will be eat the flesh of the decayed flesh which is stuck in the crocodile's teeth. So it is helping to the crocodile. And next, the plover gets its food and the crocodile gets its teeth cleaned. Okay, so like this, one for the plover it is the food, and for the crocodile what is happening? The teeth will become clean. Okay, next question number 3. Copy it neatly children. Now question number 3. What is their habitat? Question number 3. What is a habitat? Question mark. What is adaptation? What is adaptation? What is a habitat and what is adaptation? Okay, now write the answer. The natural surroundings. The natural surroundings. The natural surroundings in which an animal lives is called its habitat. So the surroundings in which the animals are living, that surroundings will be known as the habitat. What is adaptation? Now animals have special features. Animals have special features that help it to adjust to its habitat, and this is called adaptation. Okay, the natural surroundings in which an animal lives is called its habitat, and animals have special features that help it to adjust to its habitat, and this is called adaptation. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. What are the special features in herbivores that help to adapt to their environment. Now right answer. Herbivores have teeth suited to cut and chew. Full stop. Elephants have long trunk. And giraffes have long neck, and giraffes have long necks to reach the leaves on the trees. So based on their habitat, they have special features. So elephants are having long trunk and giraffes have the long necks. For what purpose they are having? Because to catch or to reach the leaves on the trees. Okay, so next question number 5, essay answer children. So with this we will complete lesson number 3 question answers. So now write everyone question number 5. Name some arboreal animals. Question number 5. Name some arboreal animals. And mention their adaptations. Name some arboreal animals and mention their adaptations. Okay, now start writing answer. Monkeys and squirrels are monkeys and squirrels are arboreal animals. Okay, now first one you can write it monkeys. So about monkeys, what are their habitation that we are writing now? Monkeys. Monkeys have long tails, and monkeys have long tails and long limbs to help them climb and hang on trees. Okay, so children, down of the monkey you should not continue the lines. How I have written, like that only how to write giving the space. Okay, monkeys have long tails and long limbs to help them climb and hang on trees. Now squirrels. Second arboreal animal, squirrels. Squirrels have a slim body. Squirrels have a slim body and sharp nails that help them climb trees swiftly. Squirrels have a slim body and sharp nails that help them climb trees swiftly. Okay. Now, after writing this, textbook page number 119, objectives are there. Choose and write the correct options. Okay, the first one, whales and dolphins do not have dash. So whales and dolphins, they do not have gills. Second one, dash is a bird that feeds on decaying meat and stuck in the teeth of crocodile, and the answer is A. What is that A? Egyptian plover. Birds have a dash body. Which body it is having? Light body. Birds that swim in water have dash feet, webbed feet. A is the correct answer. Polar bears have thick dash to keep them warm. Fur, F-U-R. B is the correct answer. Now fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. First one, the dash ants take care of the growing larva. So which ants are taking care? So for the first answer is the worker ants. Second one, small white birds sitting on cattle are called, these are called egrets. Snakes have dash to cover their body. Snakes have scales. Dash and dash are social animals. So what are the social animals? Tortoise. Dash and dash are the social animals. Sorry children, ants and bees. Ants and bees are social animals. Fifth one, camels store dash in their hump. What it will be stored? Fat. Now match the following. Answer is first one A. First one is C. Next one D, A, E, B. So once again repeating C, D, A, E, B. Cows, herd. Fish, what it will be called? School. Birds, so it will be called as flock. Lions, pride. And ants, colony. Okay, so this is the objectives of lesson number 3, and back of that puzzle is the children. Based on the clues cross and down, that puzzle you have to complete. Okay.